Hi, welcome to AVP Properties Hyderabad YouTube channel. Today I am shooting NCC Urban One at Narsingi Hyderabad luxury gated community apartments spread across 17.5 acres, 12 high-rise towers, cellar plus tilt plus 18 floors, RCC framed structure. You are watching 4 BHK east facing 3380 square feet model flat. Now I am shooting complete model flat video and covering all details about NCC Urban One project. Watch complete video till the end. Don't skip the video. Watch till the end. This project spread across 17.5 acres, 12 towers, 18 floors, 1317 apartments. Floor to ceiling height 10 feet. Ready to move in. Huge balcony. All are corner flats. Excellent connectivity, and this project IGBC pre-certified green building. RCC walls, vertified tile 600 mm into 600 mm flooring, premium quality anti-skid ceramic tiles flooring in toilets, balconies and utility. All doors, main door and internal doors, engineering wood frames with solid core flush shutter with polished veneer finishing doors. Coming to amenities, you have tennis court, badminton court, basketball court, and billiards, indoor badminton court, swimming pool, toddler pool, multi-purpose hall, jogging track, amphitheater, party lawn, green zones, exclusive pickup and door off zones for each tower, exclusive children's play area, and also high speed automatic passenger lifts, 100% generator backup to all flats, and intercom facility from flats to security rooms, ensure screening of visitors, sewage treatment plant, water treatment plant, centralized piped gas connection, and also it is well connected to the Hyderabad International Airport and Nehru Outer Ring Road exit number 18A, and close to all international schools, malls, hospitals, and hotels, and close to Kokapet Financial District IT Hub and Gachibowli, High-Tech City, Kajagoda. If you are watching first time AVP Properties YouTube channel, please subscribe. If you like this flat, please contact on display number for more details to schedule your site visit. Thank you.